Hi everybody and welcome to Morris Law Center Live. I'm Sarah Morris.
And I'm Leah Gutierrez.
Today we're going to be discussing what you need to know about employees versus independent contractors. Clients often ask what you consider an independent contractor versus who is an actual employee.
And for more details on this topic today, be sure to check out our blog, where in true Las Vegas fashion, we're referencing a case entitled Terry versus Sapphire Gentlemen's Club.
We're going to talk about some of the basics along with examples, so you can refer to the blog if you want the actual breakdown. And for our examples, we're going to use landscapers.
So something you want to consider is whether or not a person is required to hold any state or local business license, to maintain any necessary occupational licenses, insurances, or bonding.
So an example would be if a landscaper holds his own license versus being licensed under an entity and has insurance under a business entity. The one that has insurance under another entity is more likely to be an actual employee. But again, there's a list of factors to consider.
And another factor to consider is whether or not the person has control and discretion over the means and manner or the performance of any work and the result of the work.
If a landscaper is told to mow the lawn with a riding mower set at 2 inches, then trim the bushes to 3 feet, he may actually be an employee versus a landscaper that's just told to landscape as needed. That might be an independent contractor.
Something else to consider is the degree to which the person's work is controlled by the organization.
So if a landscaper is told to handle business 1 at 9 a.m., business 2 at 11 a.m., and business 3 at 2 p.m., he may actually be an employee versus a landscaper that's just told to handle all 3 businesses as he sees fit.
Another factor that we're looking at today is whether or not the person is required to work exclusively for the principal.
So if the landscaper is always on call, he may be an employee versus a landscaper that takes jobs from many different entities, not just one entity, and it can be on a case-by-case basis. That would be more like an independent contractor.
And something else to consider is the individual's investment in the facilities and any equipment, if any.
If he uses his own tools, he may be an independent contractor versus using the tools of the business entity he allegedly works for, that is possibly an employee.
And the last factor we're going to look at today is whether and to what extent the individual's work is an integral part of the organization's business or activities.
So for a landscaping business, the landscaper is an integral part of the business versus the cleaning crew that cleans the office after hours. That's not as important, and they probably are not employees of the business.
So thank you all for watching today. Check out more episodes of Morris Law Center Live on our blog at morrislawcenter.com. Be sure to subscribe to our blog and like our Facebook page, and click the hashtag MLC Live on this post to check out more.
Please feel free to ask questions about this video in the comment section below, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at Morris Law Center. See you next time.